So recently, Clot and Jumpman dropped their latest collaboration on the Air Jordan 5 Low, which is also known as the Jade release. And as part of the release, Jumpman also dropped some clothing. I managed to pick up a couple of pieces, so let's check them out. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here back with another video. And today I'm checking out a couple of pieces from the Clot Air Jordan 5 clothing release. Thanks for checking out this video. If you like all kinds of content related to sneaker culture, please do consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out two pieces from the recent Clot Jordan brand collaboration on the Air Jordan 5 Low. I did also drop a review of the sneaker itself, giving my thoughts and opinions as well as that on feet look. If you're interested in checking that out, click on the link in the top of the screen or also in the description down below. But yeah, let's check out the clothing. So the first item we've got is a T-shirt. Put this open. So here we have a T-shirt. The price of this was $44.95. Just open this. Okay, so here we have the T-shirt. So it's black. It's got quite a bit of detailing on it. So you've got this kind of these red lines going across. You've got your Wings logo saying obviously Air Jordan in green. You've got your swoosh. You've then got a 23. You've then got another Jumpman logo here, and then you've got the Clot logo here. And these all appear to be hanging on these red lines, or these red vines, I would say. And then on the back, you've just got, again, Jordan text right here. So each of these letters is hanging off these strings. You've got 23 right here, and you've got the Jumpman logo, Nike swoosh, and the Clot logo in this kind of bronze colour, I would say. I have a feeling this is related to Christmas. I feel this was supposed to release at holiday, and I think it got pushed back because this does look very holiday themed, if I'm being quite honest. I still think it's a fire piece of clothing. Definitely happy to have this in the collection. So let me know your thoughts in the comments what you think of this T-shirt. We also have the two hang tags. So this is all white. You've got the Jumpman logo in black along with the Clot logo and obviously the X to show the collaboration. And then on this piece you just have the Jumpman logo here. And I picked up one other piece, which was the hoodie. Okay, so this is the hoodie that was released in the Jade colourway. This was £109.95, and again some nice detailing on the front. So you can see you have your Jumpman logo and your Clot logo in this kind of pattern. This is obviously related to Clot's branding, so I think it's quite nice. And again you've got these kind of plastic discs, and then you've got these red threads going around each four sides, and this is again got the Clot logo right here and then the Jumpman logo right here, and again you've got the same square detailing that you see on here. So you do obviously have the kangaroo pouch right here, again nothing else. Then it also comes with this quite thick nylon drawstring, so again obviously tighten. You're going to get kind of green Jade eyelets, and each of them in small text says Jordan on the top and then 1985 underneath that, so it's quite interesting. I believe that's when the first Jordan was released. And that goes all the way around the top, as you can see, so it goes all the way around. So a little bit different to what you get with other hoodies. Most hoodies will just have the drawstring coming out of two holes on the bottom, but this is going all the way around, so interesting detail. And then on the back you've then just got that same pattern branding, so you've got Jordan, Clot, as you can see, going all the way along there. As you get from the try on, it's pretty oversized. So, you know, I did this as an XL, and it was definitely my normal size what I get for hoodies, especially Jordan hoodies, and it's fitting fine. Again, same with the T-shirt, you just get the additional size tags. You've got the Jumpman logo here, and you've got the Clot logo in black here. Again, the same Jumpman logo right here. So yeah, I think it's just fire. I think it's an interesting piece. As you can see, I've got many Jordan hoodies, so I think it's just another nice addition to the collection. And yeah, it's got some unique detailing, so I'm very happy to have this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on the hoodie and also the T-shirt in the comment section down below. Did you manage to pick up anything from the collection? Let me know again in the comment section down below. In terms of resale, these are going for pretty much retail, so you're not going to be paying a huge amount, and I'm pretty sure in some markets you can still pick up the clothing. For me, the colour's interesting. I feel that there's still a Christmas vibe to it, only just because of the way it looks. But again, that may just be my interpretation. This certainly could have been released, that was due to release holiday last year and then got pushed back. I know a lot of Jordan releases did get pushed back as well, so that could explain the kind of colour detailing. But for me, I think the colourways are fire, especially on the hoodie, and really happy to have those in the collection. Thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy the content, please do consider subscribing, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.